They were beautiful and tall trees, thus spreading happiness everywhere, which gives fresh and cool air, sweet fruits. Cheerful little children came near the trees, playing happily with laughter and joy. Near and take rest under the tree, which provide them fresh air. Cute little birds sang sweet songs on the tree. One sad day, some people came and started cutting down all the trees. Sit down. The birds, children, old people came back to the place and felt very sad because there were no trees left. Himanshu, turn this side. Himanshu, put the door down. Kind-hearted children water the tiny plants with love and care and patience. Slowly, tiny plants grew into a strong, healthy, and green trees.